Hello, and welcome back to your basic English lesson. Today we will talk about going to festivals. We will use our new words in sentences, so get your notebook and pencil, and let's get started. Today's question for you is, do you go to festivals? What kind of festivals do you have in your country? Leave me a comment below the video, and I will correct your answers. First, let's say what each picture is. Photograph, performance, event, traditional, thousands. Now, let's write what we see in the picture. Camera, picture. Now, try to think of new words for each picture. Don't use the same words. Dancing, TV show, festival, party, outfit, bow, people, many. Yuki and her family are going to a festival. There are so many fun here. Events. It is a event in their town. It is a traditional event in their town. There are of people at the festival. At the festival. There are thousands of people at the festival. She takes a of the dancers. She takes a photograph of the dancers. The is so exciting. The performance is so exciting. What a great traditional event to visit. Where is and where are the things? The woman is at the front of the line. The man is at the back of the line. The store is on the left side of the church. It's, he's, and there. The clouds are over the mountain. The store is on the right side of the church. Let's practice this. Take a moment and write all of the words in the sentences. Use the scrambled words. The birds are flying over the trees. A boy is at the back of the class. He gets on at the front of the bus. There is a pencil on the right side of the notebook. The fish is on the left side of my plate. Now let's write some sentences. Where is the school's summer festival? It's at the front of the park. It's over the park. A. It's at the front of the park. Now let's make a sentence with more detail. The school's summer festival is at the front of the park. Okay, let's try 2. Which is your father's car? A. It's the red one on the right of that tree. B. It's on the tree. A. It's the red one on the right of that tree. Let's make a new sentence. It's the red one on the right side of that big tree. Good job. Number 3. Where are the dancers? A. They are performing on the front of the theater. B. They are performing at the back of the park. B. They are performing at the back of the park. Let's make a sentence. They are performing at the back of the park on the stage. First, let's say what each picture is. Alone. Rides. Uniform. Snacks. Station. Now let's write what we see in the picture. Lonely. Single. Now try to think of new words for each picture. Don't use the same words. Ferris wheel. Attractions. Students. Clothes. Street food. Unhealthy. Train. Travel. The students are wearing their, what are they wearing? Their uniforms, good. They are not, but they are together. They are not, alone, but they are together. They are walking to the, to go home. Where are they walking? They are walking to the station to go home. Good. After getting some, they take a photo. After getting some snacks, they take a photo. Now it's time to get in line for the inside. What's inside? The rides. They want to ride everything before taking the train home at the tonight. Where's the train? At the station. Good. How do I get to the Go straight. Go straight down that street. Turn left. Turn left or right at the library. Go over the bridge. Go over the river. Go through the park, through the field, through the mall. Let's practice this. How do I get to the park? Turn right at the school and then go through the park. Can you get to the bus stop on your own? Go over the bridge and then go straight. Now let's write some sentences. How do I get to the factory? Turn right on Green Street and it's on your right after the museum. Number 2. How do I get to the theater? Go straight and it's on your left. How do I get to the underground station? Go straight and it's on your right after the shop. How do I get to the post office? Turn left onto Green Street and it's on your left after the library. Quiz time. Here are your questions for today. Pause the video and answer the quiz. We will check your answers in 1 minute. Good luck! Let's check. The playground is at the front of the park. Go straight down the street and then turn left at the bank. There is a big store at the back of the building, and go through the field and over the bridge. Is the bus stop on the left side of the street? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. How do I get to the city? Go over the bridge, go up the mountain. How do I get to your neighborhood? Go through the field, turn left at the school, and it's on your right. Any answer. Where is he sitting in the movie theater? He is sitting in the front. He is sitting in the back. Maybe he's sitting on the left. You choose. Use any of the directions we learned. So great job today. I will see you next time for our new lesson. Goodbye.